The reason that it is important to think about populations as having a density is because sometimes it is very hard for ecologists who study ecology to actually predict how many organisms are in an area. So, for example, if I asked you to count every blade of grass at Arcadia High School, it would take you a long time to figure out how many living blades of grass there were. Instead, it would be better to take an estimate. So what you might prefer to do is to make a small box. Inside of that box, you would count every blade of grass. This would be much easier. We could get another student to count another box. And we can get a third group of students to count a third box. We could then take an average. Maybe in this box, we find that there are 150 blades of grass on average. And then what we can do is figure out how many of those boxes there must be at our school. Using density, we can get a much better idea of how many organisms are present in an area. And so this would be per, maybe this box is, that looks pretty big. I'm going to say per square foot. Well, it looks more like it's 3 by 60, but you get the idea. Using density, we can estimate the overall number of organisms in an area.